Understanding Set the Levels, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're diving into the phrase, set the levels. This is a common expression you might encounter in various contexts. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, set the levels, generally means to establish standards or criteria in a particular situation. It can be used in various contexts, such as setting expectations in a work environment, adjusting the difficulty in a game, or calibrating equipment. Understanding this phrase will help you grasp conversations about establishing benchmarks or norms. Let's look at some examples to understand how set the levels is used. 1. In business, the manager needs to set the levels for this project's performance metrics. 2. In technology, before we start, we need to set the levels on this audio mixer for optimal sound quality. 3. In education, the teacher sets the levels for the class, determining how challenging the tests should be. These examples show how versatile this phrase is in different scenarios. When learning this phrase, avoid these common mistakes. Don't confuse it with literal meanings. It's not always about physical or tangible levels. Context matters. Always consider the situation to understand the intended meaning. 1. Fill in the blanks. In order to ensure fairness, the competition judges need to blank the blank for all participants. 2. Discussion. Think of a situation in your life where you had to set the levels. How did you do it? We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of set the levels. Remember, understanding context is key to mastering this phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll be using it like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.